Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Our today's show is about ear shape and makeup tips. Beyond the face, ear shape and makeup. While we often focus on eye, lip and cheek makeup, the shape of our ears plays a crucial role in our overall facial harmony. Understanding your ear shape and using makeup strategically can subtly enhance its natural beauty, creating a balanced and confident look. This video shows various ear shapes and provides makeup tips to accentuate their unique features. Common ear shapes. 1. Round ears with a full, rounded lobe and gentle curves. 2. Oval ears, a more elongated shape, with a smooth curve from the top to the lobe. 3. Protruding ears that stick out from the head more than average. 4. Attached ears that sit close to the head, with a more pronounced fold behind the lobe. 5. Prominent lobes, large, defined earlobes. 6. Small lobes, small, less noticeable lobes. 7. Folded ears with a visible fold in the upper part, creating a distinct crease. 8. Cupped ears with a concave shape, resembling a cup. 9. Asymmetrical ears, one ear may be slightly larger, smaller, or have a different shape than the other. 10. Detached lobes, ears with a lobe that doesn't completely connect to the side of the face. Makeup techniques for ear shape enhancement. 1. Contouring. Using a contour shade that is 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin tone, you can create subtle shadows that define the edges of your ear, enhancing its shape and dimension. 1. Round ears. Contour along the top edge of the ear, blending it downwards towards the lobe, to create a more elongated appearance. 2. Oval ears. Contour along the natural curve of the ear, blending it seamlessly for a defined look. 3. Protruding ears. Apply contour along the edges of the ear, blending it outwards towards the hairline to create the illusion of a more flush appearance. 4. Attached ears. Lightly contour the fold behind the ear, blending upwards to emphasize the attached appearance. 5. Folded ears. Contour the visible fold, blending it outwards to define the crease. 6. Cupped ears. Contour the edges of the ear, focusing on the curve, to enhance its natural shape. 2. Highlighting. Use a highlighter that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone to draw attention to specific areas and add luminosity. 1. Round ears. Highlight the center of the lobe to create the illusion of a more prominent and defined lobe. 2. Oval ears. Highlight the top and bottom of the ear to accentuate its natural curve. 3. Prominent lobes. Use highlighter to enhance the fullness of the lobe, creating a more defined appearance. 4. Small lobes. Apply highlighter to the center of the lobe, blending it outwards to create the illusion of a larger lobe. Additional tips for ear makeup. Blend, blend, blend. Seamless blending is key. Avoid harsh lines and ensure the contour and highlighter blend smoothly with your skin tone. Light hand. Start with a light hand and build up the makeup gradually. It's better to start subtle and add more if needed. Consider your hairstyle. Hairstyles can significantly influence the appearance of your ears. Experiment with different styles to see what flatters you best. Earrings. Earrings can draw attention to your ears and complement their shape. Choose earrings that complement your ear shape and personal style. Confidence is key. Embrace your unique ear shape and use makeup as a tool to enhance its natural beauty. Beyond makeup. Ear piercings. Consider ear piercings as a way to enhance your ear shape and add a personal touch. Hair care. Healthy hair framing your face can draw attention away from your ears. Skincare. Keep the skin around your ears clean and moisturized. Conclusion. Understanding your ear shape and using makeup strategically can elevate your overall appearance. While ear shape might not be the first thing you think about when applying makeup, enhancing your ears can create a balanced and harmonious look. Embrace your unique features, experiment with different techniques, and discover the power of a well-sculpted ear. Have fun. Applying makeup should be fun, so enjoy the process. Thank you for watching till the end of the video, and for more similar this video please subscribe this channel.